Well, it seems as though this part here may have been bent in an accident. I see a lot of stress over here. So I'm gonna take this and try to have this flattened out. Unless I've finally been able to get the tie rod to move. If I can get the tie rod to move in, when that wheel was on the cart, it was like bent out like this. When we were perfectly straight, let's see. Oh, I can't. I'm not connected anymore, so I can't get that wheel straight again. Oh, there we are. Okay. Now, when we were perfectly straight, this wheel on this side was like elsewhere. So the good news is I have been able to move the tie rod. I'm going to try to move this nut back and we'll be okay. But this is going to have to go to a vise and flatten out. It connects right back here. See the two holes? Oh, here we are. Two holes right there. And then that goes to the back. But if you see the stress cracks in it, that thing was hit pretty hard. So we'll get it right. Cool. Thanks.